Assalamualaikum friends, here is a logo mockup for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, but these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, follow me, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Subscribe this channel. I will provide every link of video or data first here. Now first you need font. Here is a premium basketball logo. Install this one and add it in Illustrator. Dark green office wall logo. Okay, you see you can change or you can write anything here. Here is a light effect and shadow, and last is just a background. Double click here. You need this font. Oh sorry, replace it. Alright, Sheri SK. Font is enter, Control S, and you see our name or our text is here on this wall. Now open this one, and here is overlay effects, dark logo, background color. But you need here a vector file. Double click here, like this one or this one. Press Ctrl S for saving. Now here is a logo, education group logo. You can change anything, and here is a real property Promax logo, and here is a graphics family. Okay, gym and fitness. I hope these data are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love is